In this video I am going to discuss GCE O level Mathematics paper 2 part A question number 4. This question is related to the lesson Mensuration. This is the question and this is the given figure. We will read the question first. A lamina consisting of a semicircle A of radius x units. This is the semicircle A, the radius is x units, here to here x units. And a sector B with angle at the center 60 degrees. This is the sector B, this is the angle at the center 60 degrees, which is concentric with the semicircle is shown in the figure. Concentric, that means the sector B and the semicircle A, the center is same, concentric. If the area of A and the area of B are equal, area of A and area of B are equal, show that x satisfies the quadratic equation x squared minus 4x minus 8 equals to 0. We will see how to show the quadratic equation x squared minus 4x minus 8 equals to 0. In the question it is given area of semicircle A, area of A equals to area of B, sector B. How do you find the area of circle? That is pi r squared. Therefore area of semicircle A equals half pi r squared. Area of sector, it is given the angle is 60 degrees, therefore 60, that is out of 360 into pi r squared. Now we will substitute values of, here both side pi is there, therefore you don't want to substitute pi value here. Pi r, semicircle there is x, therefore x squared. 60 over 360, if you simplify it, it is 1 over 6 pi. Semicircle r is how much? Here to here x, this is also radius, and here plus 4, therefore r squared x plus 4 squared. We will simplify it more. You can use the cross multiplication here. 6 pi x squared equals to 2 pi x plus 4 squared. Then if you both sides divide by pi get cancelled, remaining 6x squared 2x plus 4 squared. 6 squared 2x plus 4 squared, how you simplify? How you expand this? X squared plus 4 into x twice. 4 into x, 4x twice, 8x plus 4 squared is 16. And 6 squared equals 2x squared plus 16x plus 2 into 16, 32. Then we will take all the terms into this side, left hand side. Here 6 squared, 6x squared, this 2x minus 2x squared minus 16x minus 32. This part 0. Then you can simplify 6 squared minus 2x squared is 4x squared minus 16x minus 32 equals 0. Now you can see, you can divide all the terms by 4. 4x squared divided by 4 is x squared minus 16x divided by 4, 4x, 32 divided by 4 is 8. This is x squared minus 4x minus 8 equals to 0. The next part of the question says, show with reasons that x can take exactly one value. So how do you show it? To factorize this equation, you can use either complete in the square method or the quadratic formula. Here I will use the complete in the square method. X squared minus 4x, I will take this minus 8 to this side, it's plus 8. Then x squared minus 4x, here you have to divide the coefficient of x by 2 and get the square. Minus 4 divided by 2 is minus 2 square plus 4. Then you have to add plus 4 this side also. Then if you factorize this part, x minus 2 whole thing squared, 8 plus 4 is 12. Then x minus 2 equals plus or minus 12 root. We write the other part here. X minus 2 equals 12. You can write 4 into 3 square root. Then x minus 2 plus or minus 4 square root is 2. Then 3 root. Then x equals to minus 2 this side plus 2. 2 plus 2 root 3 or 2 minus 2 root 3. Here you can see that 2 minus 2 root 3 is 2 minus 2 root 3 is less than 0. Therefore it is a negative value. Radius cannot be take the negative value. Therefore x can take only one value. It is x equals 2 plus 2 root 3. The next part of the question. By using 1.73 for the value of 3 root, find an approximate value for the radius of the sector B to the first decimal place. It is given in the question. 3 root equals 1.73. We have to find the radius of sector B. We will first find x value. X equals 2 plus 2, 3 root. Therefore 2 plus 2 into here 1.73. 2 plus 3.46. Altogether it is 5.46. What is the radius of sector B? That is x plus 4 units. Radius of B equals x plus 4 units. Therefore x equals 5.46 plus 4. The answer is 9.46. The question says it is to the first decimal place. Therefore 9.5 units is the answer. This is the end of the question. If you like this video, please share it, like it and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.